Hello student, by the end of this discussion of today's video, you are going to learn how to integrate the special type of the functions which will be following this different 6 approaches. Look here, this is called as integrand. Can you see here are the 6 different things I have written on the piece of paper? Are they 6 different? No. I think this is same as over here somewhere. This is also repeated. So this is the first criteria which you should keep in mind, how to differentiate the expressions. So there are 3 formulas with root. There are 3 formulas without root. So this is the first identification. Sometimes by mistake what happens here and here, you apply the same formula, but they are different. Okay, so I am going to share how to get the 2 remarks, and rest of the remarks you can try at your end, and then we'll list out the formulas. Okay, look here, I want integration of dx upon x square minus x square, the first one. So what I am doing, I am writing this is called as integrand. 1 upon a square minus x square can be written as 1 by 2a. Listen this point carefully. Can I write like this? Till here only. Is it okay? Correct now? But 2a is there, so I should write a over here and plus a over here. Is it okay now? 1 by 2a and this 2a will get cancelled. Now what I am doing, I am adding x over here and subtracting x over here. Is it okay now? Because this x will get cancelled, 2a will also get cancelled. The intention was to get a separate. Now I am putting a bracket. Next step. See what I am doing at there only. So whenever you are noting, you just write separately. Now separation, this by this. So 1 by 2a, it will be 1 upon a minus x plus 1 upon a plus x. So this expression will be equal to this. Therefore integration of this will be equal to 1 by 2a outside, integration of the first one plus 1 by 2a again outside, integration of the second one. Now both are linear function in the denominator, so it will be nothing but log of x minus a upon minus 1 will come, and over here 1 upon 2a log of a plus x. So the final answer of this expression is 1 by 2a, this is minus will come in the denominator, log of a plus x upon a minus x, nothing but the formula number 1. So the first formula which I have shared with you is nothing but 1 by 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x. You have to use this formula. This is the new things. How to use that I am going to explain. One more question. This is one particular type of questions. Now this can be solved by putting x is equal to a tan theta. Look here, x is equal to a tan theta. How? Dx will be equal to a square tan derivative is differentiation of that x square theta and d theta. So method of substitution. So numerator dx can be written as a square sec square theta d theta divided by a square plus this x square. X what we are replacing? A tan theta. So a square tan square theta. Suppose you take out a square common from the denominator, then that a square will get cancelled, and what left in the denominator? 1 plus tan square theta. So I am just writing a square over here sec square theta d theta divided by over here a square 1 plus tan square theta. So a square will get cancelled and sec square theta, this also will get cancelled. You will get only d theta, and its integration will be nothing but theta. Its integration. So what is the value of theta? Theta you can get from this substitution. Can you tell me theta? See here, x by a is nothing but tan theta. So theta will be equal to tan inverse of x by a. Tan inverse of x by a. That is nothing but the integration. Tan inverse of x by a. Check properly. Is it okay? there is somewhere correction is required. Can you tell me correction? X is equal to a tan theta. So dx will be a square will not come, a only will come. So if you simplify here, it will be 1 by a is left. So your answer is 1 by a into tan inverse. So I am just replacing the answer at the second place. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. If you ask me this is on the line of this only. What to do? Take a factor x plus a, x minus a and arrange 1 by 2a outside. You will get the same type of answer. It will be log of x minus a upon x plus a. That is the third one. This question I am just giving you the method. This question you can try with putting x is equal to a sin theta. Write down the thing. X will be equal to a sin theta, and you can just practice, do as this way what we have did now about the tan. So you will be getting the answer of this sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a. Check properly. You should get sin inverse. Over here, this is x square plus a square with the same thing, a square plus a square. What we have replaced here? A tan theta. Here also you replace a tan theta. You will get your answer is log of x plus root under a square plus x square. Next, here, what you can replace? So as to get the simplest form of that, x is equal to a sec theta. X is equal to a sec. Okay. So now note down all these 6 remarks. We'll be discussing many formulas based on this, many questions based on this. Okay. First write it in your notebook. Then I'm going to explain nearly 14-15 questions. So before watching the further video, better way, pause over here, write down the formulas, and once you're noting down all the formulas, then you can switch over to the problems which I'm going to explain. Now see the questions. First few questions are very simple. Very simple means straight away. Okay. Now dx upon x square minus x square. X square minus x square. I'm just trying to tell you, try to compare this one with one of the formula. Check here. This is nothing but this one. First x is there, then a square. I'm showing the question one more time. See here. This is. So what will be the solution? 1 by 2a log of x. What is the value of a here? A will be equal to 5. So the answer is 1 by 2, a means 5 log of, the formula you can see in your notebook. It will be x minus 5 upon x plus 5 over. So means if you know the remarks, you can easily answer the question. Dx upon 4 square plus x square. Can you tell me in your list which is the formula? Correct. That is second formula. Second formula you can apply. A value 4. So 1 by a means 1 by 4 tan inverse x by 4. X by 4. Second. Only thing you have to connect with the formulas. Now third question. Dx upon x square minus a square. In your list also the formula is the, which formula you can apply? Again third formula in your list. Third question. A value root 5. 1, 2 root 5 log of x minus root 5 upon x plus root 5. Are you getting why root 5 I am writing? Because this value, it should be square of something. Now fourth question. See here, fourth question. Dx upon root under 16 plus x square. 16 plus x square. Now I am showing the square root is there. Now square root we have 3 formulas. It is 16 plus x square. So it is the second one. 16 plus a square. I think here you don't want to identify a. It is log x plus denominator as it is. Log x plus denominator as it is. So the answer of this question is also log x plus denominator as it is. Next, x square minus 5, root under x square minus 5 is on the same line. The formula approach, log x plus the same expression. It will be log x plus the same expression. Last, one more question to identify or connect with the formulas, then you can use the question is dx upon root a square minus x square. See here, dx upon root a square minus x square. Answer is sin inverse x by a. Here you want a. So what is a over here in this question? Yes, 3, not 9. Huh? It will be sin inverse x by 3. So these are the basic link of the question, how to connect with the formulas. So you will be not expecting straight away this format. There is some arrangement will be there, some calculation will be there. That I am sharing how to answer the question based on that. See, now question number 7 first. Here slightly change is there. It is not straightforward as something. Here it is as what you have seen. But if you differentiate this, no, you are getting 1 differentiation of this. So I can write this is as y. It will be y square minus 16 and dy over here. Followed what? Now it is in the standard form. Y square minus x square. This is so 1 by 2a log of x plus a. So here it will be in this question y will be there. Okay. So now here 1 by 2a means 4 log of y minus r plus minus a means 4 upon y plus 4. What is the value of y? Y value is x minus 3. So it will be 1 by 8 log of x minus 3. So it will be x minus 7. X minus 3 over here. You can get the solution like this. So remember, if the derivative is like this, you can straight away apply the formulas. The derivative of this expression is 1, not the square one. This expression is 1, you can apply the formula. Next, this is the question. Now differentiation of this is 1. Differentiation of this term is 1. So you can apply the formula. What is the formula? A square minus x square. A square minus x square. This is the formula to be used. Sin inverse x by a. Now in this question, the answer is sin inverse x means now x plus 1 by a means root 5. Okay. Slightly change in the question pattern. Somewhere this is multiplied with the 2. So this 2 is to be taken out. Always remember, coefficient of x square should be plus or minus 1. So if you take 2 outside, it is in the form of dx upon 4 plus x square. So which question? A square plus x square. Correct. 1 by 2. 1 by a tan inverse x by 2. Further simplify, you will get 1 by 4 tan inverse x by 2. As I told you in the previous question, here also 4 is there, so 4 is to be taken out, but 4 will not come as 4. Reason, it is nothing but root. Okay. Now which formula? Root under x square minus a square. Tell me in your list which one is there? Last. Correct. So it will be 1 by 2 log of x plus root under x square minus 2. So this is a way of looking at the question. But question will be, this is the second level of question. In the first level of question, what I have shown you, straight away the things are application of the formulas. In the second case, there is something to be taken common and all like this. Third stage of questions also there. So first I will be explaining that third stage of explanation, provided you are comfortable with this much. So I am just waiting over here and going to create another video which will be helping you the further part of the question number 11 onwards. Okay. Thank you.